Around the world, enough food is produced daily to feed everyone. Yet millions go hungry. A third of all food ends up in landfills, and diet-related diseases are on the rise. Current food systems contribute significantly to deforestation, water scarcity, biodiversity loss, soil depletion, greenhouse gas emissions, and global health issues. We need an urgent radical shift in how food is grown, produced, processed, and distributed, towards systems that protect natural resources and provide economic opportunities, social inclusion, and access to nutritious food. One way to tackle this dire situation is to work with family farmers. Family farming is any agricultural, forestry, fisheries, pastoral, or aquaculture production operated by a family, with most of the work done by the family, and the farming a source of both income and food. There are over 550 million family farms, making up more than 90% of the world's 608 million farms. While some may be large, 98% are smaller than 50 hectares, 94% smaller than 5 hectares, and 84% smaller than 2. Family farms smaller than 2 hectares produce 35% of all food in the world on only 12% of farming land, and this production is essential to their own livelihoods. Why are family farmers so important? Family farms are embedded in local communities, continuously interacting to renew and preserve ecological, economic, and socio-cultural resources, knowledge, and culture. They play a significant role in promoting biodiversity and the sustainable use of natural resources, which is key to food security. They are essential contributors to diversified, healthy food production, collectively producing more than 80% of the world's food in value terms. If empowered by targeted support, family farmers have the potential to improve their own incomes, support rural economies, and trigger tangible positive change in food production, social welfare, and environmental sustainability. Family farmers could be supported with legal grounding, family farming registries, and integrated public policies. National legal definitions of family farming are essential to establish the main elements that define family farmers. These will make it possible to develop guiding measures to address farmers' needs. Family farming registries can collect the data needed to identify family farmers, improving data quality, monitoring tools, and informing targeted policy design. Family farmers are extremely varied, and public policies need to be both operationally feasible and reflective of their differences in order to be comprehensive, inclusive, and effective. Integrated policies are needed and could include new categories and themes such as social protection, environment, health, nutrition, and education to capture and drive the full potential of family farming. Public policies should also stimulate coordination between institutional levels, strengthen coordination among sectors to help optimize resources, and drive maximized results for sustainable agri-food systems. Family farms are not disappearing, but rather constantly adapting to survive, including by becoming less reliant on farming alone. Policies should therefore go beyond production and promote the varied contribution of family farming to sustainable agri-food systems. This can add value to family farming production and catalyze different income-generating activities related to local environments. The United Nations Decade of Family Farming was adopted by all UN countries in 2019. Let's work together towards the design of policies and frameworks that truly support family farmers and the shift towards sustainable agri-food systems.